This can be the reason why you're getting the Samsung TV Plus error message on your screen. If your network settings are configured wrong, then it might be the reason why your Samsung TV Plus is not working. Sometimes, device cache files get corrupted and lead to streaming issues like you're encountering now. Using an outdated version of the app or device software can also be the reason why you're facing Samsung TV is not available. Before troubleshooting your device, ensure that your internet is working fine. The error message also states that Samsung TV Plus is not available due to a network problem. Try the following ways to fix this. Reboot your router, check your internet speed, and move the router closer to your Samsung TV. Turn off your Samsung TV and unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Now, wait for 5 minutes and plug the power cable into the wall outlet. After that, turn on your Samsung TV and check if this resolves the issue. Press and hold the power button on your Samsung TV remote for 15 to 30 seconds. Your Samsung Smart TV will restart. Now check if you're able to use the Samsung TV Plus feature or not. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV and open TV Device Manager. Now, go to Memory Boost and select Clean Now. This will clear the cache of TV and improve the performance. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV and open TV Device Manager. Now, go to Memory Boost and select Clean Now. This will clear the cache of TV and improve the performance. Press the menu button on the remote and head to the Network tab. Now, select the network status, then select the IP settings button. After that, navigate to the DNS setting option and choose Enter manually. Enter 888.8 and press Enter to apply the changes. Now, turn off your Samsung TV and wait for 60 seconds. Turn on the TV and check if this resolves the issue. Navigate to the settings and head to the General. Now, select the network option, then choose Expert Settings. After that, disable the IPv6 and check if this fixes the issue. Head to the settings of your Samsung TV. Navigate to the General tab, select System Manager, and select Time. After that, choose Clock and set the clock mode to manual. Now, set the current date and time and check if this works for you. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV and head to the General tab. Now, go to the network and select Reset Network. After that, select Confirm to reset the network and wait until the process completes. Lastly, connect your TV to a network wireless or wired and check if your Samsung TV Plus is working fine. Head to the settings of your Samsung TV and navigate to the support. Now, go to Software Update and select Update Now. If any updates are available, then download and install them. If the update fails to download on Wi-Fi, connect your TV with an Ethernet cable and download the update. After installing the updates, perform a reboot on your Samsung TV and check if your Samsung TV Plus is working now. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV and scroll to the support. Now, go to Device Care and select Self-Diagnostics. Afterward, head to the Reset Smart Hub and enter the PIN AFAST 000.0. Wait until the reset process completes. Now, restart your TV and set up your Smart Hub. Currently, your Samsung TV Plus should be working fine. Navigate to the settings and head to the support. Now, locate Device Care and select Self-Diagnosis. Select Reset and enter the PIN default PIN 000.0. Now, wait until the reset process completes. After that, enter the credentials to log in and check if this fixes the issue.